Hi and welcome students. In this video I'm going to be going over PowerPoint 2016 and I'm going to show you how to create a new slide as well as to change your current slide layout. Let's go ahead and get started. So you'll see here that I have a PowerPoint presentation being displayed, and if I want to insert a new slide I could go right here to the Home tab, the Slides group, and I could insert a new slide using one of these two buttons. The top button here says New Slide. Control plus M, add a slide to your presentation. And so if I press Control and M on my keyboard, if I'm using a Windows PC, it's going to insert a new slide as slide 2. So again, if you're on slide 1, it's going to insert the new slide right below it. Okay, so I have slide 2 being displayed here. Now, how can I see the type of layout that this slide is? Well, in the Home tab, the Slides group, you could go right up here to Layout, and if you click that, I could see that it inserted in a title and content layout slide. The way that I could tell is because that one is the current slide because it is highlighted around it. Okay, so that's the current layout right there. Okay, well, what if I wanted to insert a new slide with my own particular type of layout? For instance, this first slide here, you can see by the layout, is a title slide. This one down here is a to content slide. Well, what if I wanted to insert another to content slide? Well, the way that I would do that is I'd go to the Home tab, the Slides group, and instead of clicking this top button here or pressing Control M, instead I'm going to click the New Slide arrow. The New Slide arrow is going to actually allow me to choose which type of layout that I want before it inserts the slide. So let's say that I wanted to go down here, and on this one I'm going to insert a to content slide. You will see that when I do that, it inserts in the title and it allows me two content placeholders to put in my text, pictures, tables, smart art, anything that I want to put there. So that looks good. Well, what happens if I want to change a current layout? So for instance, on slide 3 here, you'll see that on this slide, there's nothing over here on the left side in this content placeholder. Let's say originally I was going to put a picture there, but I couldn't find a good picture for it. Well, I'm going to need to change this slide layout so that it's more evenly distributed across the slide. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the Home tab, the Slides group, and I'm going to click Layout. And you'll see that it's currently set up as to content, but instead this time I'm just going to choose title and content since there's only a title at the top and then the content below. When I click that, watch what happens to the text along the right side. I click it, and it's going to evenly distribute across the entire slide rather than just being pinned to the right side of the slide. So anytime you want to change your slide layout, you just go to the Home tab, the Slides group, and click the Layout button, and then choose the layout that works best for the content that you have on your slides. So hopefully this tutorial has helped you learn how to insert new slides with specific layouts, change the layout on a current slide, and also view the layout on a current slide. If this video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I do have a PowerPoint 2016 playlist in case you're in a PowerPoint class or you need to learn how to pass your MOS certification. Thank you for checking out my channel and for watching this video. If you have any comments, please put it in the comment section below, and have a great rest of your day.